In the meantime, a Tomahawk land attack missile was launched from the U.S. Army's mid-range capable Typhoon missile system in Tacloban City early today, marking the first live-fire exercise of the system in the Philippines as part of Balikatan 2026. Patrick De Jesus tells us more in this report.
The skies over Tacloban City Airport slightly lit up past midnight this Tuesday when a Tomahawk land attack missile was fired using the Typhoon missile system or the U.S. Army's mid-range capability. In another video posted on social media by Philippine Army Training Command Commander Major General Michael Lohico, the missile can be seen hitting its target in Laur, Nueva Ecija at 1:33 in the early morning or after more than an hour. According to the Armed Forces of the Philippines, this is part of Balikatan Exercises 2026. From Tacloban City, the air distance to Laur, Nueva Ecija is estimated at over 600 kilometers.
Kung mapapansin, why? Probably you might ask why Tacloban. Because during the survey, it is the parang the place that we can start with na doon i-launch, tapos passing through Eastern Seaboard and going inside the eastern part of Northern Luzon and towards Port Magsaysay. The weapon system that were used was the Typhoon, the medium-range capable missile, armed with Tomahawk missile, designed to at least attack a land-based target which is around 805 to 1,500 kilometers.
The Typhoon missile system of the United States arrived in the Philippines in 2024 for Balikatan. But this is the first time the system has been fired in a live-fire exercise. Filipino soldiers also took part in the exercise.
May personal tayo ng Philippine Army doon sa mismong launcher, sa shooters, and also at the command and control center in order for them to access the technical know-how on how it is being conducted, from target acquisition, let's say from finding the target, fixing it, tracking it, and deciding, and up to the engagement.
Some progressive groups oppose the activity. According to the Koalisyong Makabayan, the Tomahawk missile is the same weapon used by the U.S. to bomb civilian infrastructure in Iran and Gaza, and that the Philippines is now becoming a playground. The AFP says such reactions are expected.
This is the appropriate time for us to get the technology, the technical know-how on how to conduct lalo na yung advanced capabilities such as the missile system. We are in the future, magkakaroon na tayo ng mga technologies to address threats. So, ang ating partner nation, an allied nation, is katuwang natin sa pag-acquire ng knowledge.
The AFP also reiterated that the exercises are not directed at any particular country, despite China's long-standing opposition to the deployment of the Typhoon missile system in the Philippines. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.